Hi you guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. Now I have on the most gypsiest outfit right now, I feel like, but I let this older lady pick my outfit. It's pretty cool though. Today I wanted to get in touch with getting back on readings, because I've been slacking on that. So this is a channeled reading starting off. It's called Drama, and More Drama. I've just been trying to get videos out that I feel like you guys would like. So okay. Alright, so the first card is the Devil in reverse. So obviously this always has to do, when it's upright, about people who are in toxic relationship, very power struggle, people trying to control you or manipulate you. But since it's in reverse, a lot of you guys are getting past that now. A lot of you guys could be finding yourself in situations where you're constantly put in the same situations, dealing with the same types of people. But now some of you guys could have learned your lesson. Maybe you had some hard times. Maybe you had to learn things the hard way. But nonetheless, you're getting past it, and that's a really good sign. So some of you guys are ending cycles of toxic people, because the more you know that thyself, the more you don't have to deal with shit in the long haul. The Hierophant. So this has to do, it kind of reminds me of my family, to be honest, but usually this has to do with the manipulative mother figure. So some of you guys have been trying to distance yourself from mothers who are very belittling, manipulative, things of that nature. Some of you guys are still in that role, and you need to distance yourself. You could find it hard because you don't want to upset your parents or your mother, things like that, but you owe it to yourself to speak your truth and speak up if this resonates with you. Don't honor yourself enough to love yourself and stand up for yourself and distance yourself. Even if it's family, sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Next card. All right, so whatever arguments you've been having or power struggles you've been having, injustices you've been experiencing, you will come out on top ultimately. So just go with the flow. And some of you guys are fighting a really hard battle, but that doesn't mean you won't win and you won't come out on top. Just keep talking, speaking your truth. If you're an activist, for example, if you have a platform, for example, keep speaking your truth because it will resonate with someone. A lot of times when we have platforms, I tell you guys, always don't be you unapologetically, because being yourself can spark a great mind to change the world, and it can lead you to having an even larger fan base, because it takes that one person to find you and start like a whole career for you. Alright, so again, a lot of things are coming to an end, a lot of self-doubt, self-defeat. Some of you guys need to stop listening to others and what people think and what people say, because they don't know shit. They don't know you like you know you. Keep in mind that you are great. Last card here is King of Cups in reverse. Alright, so some of you guys need to find like housing, but more so a place to set up shop. So it's in reverse because you could be in the process of doing so, and it could be being gifted to you actually. So just look out for all kinds of blessings. Keep manifesting, keep doing the law of attraction, keep visualizing things of that nature, and you'll come out on top. Again, that is like the message of the day. You'll come out on top. So if you've been dealing with any struggle, power struggle, drama, you'll ultimately win. But yeah, be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.